Hey guys, welcome to my class. My name is Mati. Your coach from Smoothest Knowledge is present here. Today we will start the new chapter of coal and petroleum. So sorry to be late to upload any new videos, but now I will be uploading video. So this is the coal and petroleum chapter, and this is the part 1 of this chapter, in which we will first take the introduction of this chapter. Now we use various methods to fulfill our basic requirements. Some of these are found in nature, and while a lot many are man-made. We use air to breathe, we use water to drink, and for various other activities also. And both air and water are natural resources. But if we will talk about the paper, cloth, furniture, computers, cars, etc., that we use are all man-made resources. Sofa also, and everything not, but yes, like the example, you know. So now we have the resources that is divided into two. One is natural resources and another is man-made resources. What is natural resources? Natural resources are the resources that are obtained from the nature. For example, if we will talk about the air, water, soil, wildlife, forest, coal, petroleum, and etc. Now, natural resources are further divided into two types. On the basis of their availability, on the basis of various natural resources that can be broadly divided into two categories. What are they? They are exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. You know, exhaustible natural resources, that is the non-renewable natural resources, and inexhaustible is the renewable. So we will talk about this now. What is exhaustible natural resources? So the natural resources that can be exhausted or exist as the result of human consumption, that is known as exhaustible natural resources, and that those are also known as non-renewable resources. Right? They are don't be renewed as many of the what. So, for example, coal, petroleum, water, forest, minerals, natural gas, and etc. Now, if we will talk about the inexhaustible natural resources, then these are the renewable resources. Those can be renewed, like the natural resources which are not likely to be exhausted due to human consumption and are present in unlimited quantities. For example, air, sunlight. Now, fossil fuels. We will first talk about the exhaustible natural resources, in which fossil fuel goes. In fossil fuel, there are coal, petroleum, heavy oil, bitumen, natural resources, natural gas. So first we have to learn that what are fossil fuels. Right? Fossil fuels are natural occurring carbon containing materials which when burnt in air or oxygen produce heat energy. So these are some natural resources that are also non-renewable, and they contain the carbon materials. When we burn them in air or the oxygen, they produce the heat energy. Now, how are the fossil fuels formed? Fossil fuels are formed in nature by the decomposition of plants and animals, which got buried under the earth due to geological changes, and that occurred millions of years ago. These are obtained from the earth either by digging or drilling holes into it. Now you know that fossil fuels are exhaustible resources or non-renewable energy resources because they take millions of years to form, and the reserves are being depleted much faster than at their formation. Now, fossil fuels can be classified into three categories. There are solid fuels, that is coal; liquid fuels, that is petroleum, heavy oil, and vitamins; and gaseous fuels, that is the natural gas. And about those we will learn in the next class. For today, this much. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press on the bell icon. And for your support, I have reached 75 subscribers, so I need more. Thank you.